Welcome to this fascinating exploration of one of Australia's most iconic birds, the Laughing Kookaburra. Known for its distinctive call that sounds remarkably like human laughter, the Laughing Kookaburra is a bird that captivates the imagination and embodies the spirit of the Australian bush. Let's dive deeper into what makes this bird so unique and special. The Laughing Kookaburra, or Dacelo novaeguineae, is the largest member of the kingfisher family, measuring about 40 to 45 centimeters, 16 to 18 inches, in length. Despite their size, these birds have a compact and robust build. Their plumage is primarily brown and white, with a distinctive dark brown eye stripe that runs across their face, resembling a mask. Their wings have blue and green patches, and their tails are adorned with rusty red bars. Their beak is strong and broad, designed for their unique hunting techniques. It measures about 8 to 10 centimeters, 3 to 4 inches, in length, and its sturdy structure is perfect for catching and consuming a variety of prey. Their eyes are dark brown, which adds to their somewhat stern but endearing appearance. Laughing kookaburras are native to eastern Australia, but they have also been introduced to other parts of the country, including Tasmania, as well as New Zealand and even some areas in Western Australia. They are highly adaptable birds and are commonly found in a wide range of habitats, including open forests, woodlands, and even suburban areas. These birds prefer areas with plenty of trees for perching and hunting, but are equally comfortable in human-altered landscapes, such as parks and gardens. Their adaptability has allowed them to thrive in diverse environments, making them a common sight in many parts of Australia. Unlike other kingfishers, laughing kookaburras do not typically hunt fish. Instead, they have a diverse diet that includes small mammals, reptiles, insects, and even other birds. They are known to sit quietly on a perch, scanning the ground below for movement. When they spot potential prey, they swoop down swiftly, catching it with their strong beak. Their hunting technique is quite brutal. They often kill their prey by bashing it against a hard surface or dropping it from a height to immobilize it before consumption. One of the most famous characteristics of the laughing kookaburra is its loud, distinctive call, which resembles human laughter. This call is usually heard at dawn and dusk, earning them the nickname Bushman's Clock. The laughter serves several purposes. It is used to establish territory, communicate with family members, and warn off potential threats or intruders. Laughing kookaburras are highly social birds, often seen in small family groups. They are monogamous and maintain lifelong pairs. These birds exhibit cooperative breeding behavior, where offspring from previous years help their parents raise new chicks. This strong family bond ensures higher survival rates for their young.